Welcome back to the channel. Here we have the TriStar Mg1 canister vacuum. I inherited it from my grandparents. It was made, from what I can tell from the serial number, in 2003. So it is definitely an older machine, but one that is built well and still works. Really the only thing that is noticeable is cosmetic, with these black spots that I don't know if it's because the metal has oxidized or what, but it is a metal canister vacuum, well made. This is your filter. You replace it every 6 months as stated. If you want to use the air pump feature, instead of connecting your hose to the back of the machine, you connect it to the front. We'll try that out a little bit later. But what I really want to get into is showing you what makes this machine special and how to use it. So first off, you'll notice that it has a slightly different design than most vacuums. You open this is the dust bin. Now you can get these disposable dust bags to make it easier and keep your main bag cleaner. If you don't want to go through that expense, you can use their permanent bag. So either or. Go ahead and shut that. In order to get us into our power head mode, just gonna go ahead and attach this right here. Oops, wrong way. Hear the click and we're ready. Now for a sound test, I'll just go ahead and turn it on in stationary mode. Okay, to get into air blower mode, I'm just going to use this because that seems like it would shoot out a nice stream of air. You open this, take out your filter, and insert this just like that. Turn it on and very powerful airflow from this machine. That would be great for getting, blowing stuff from under your couch. It would be nice if it had a tool like the Kirby that would allow you to inflate pool toys and whatnot, but maybe it came with that. I don't know. I've lost it in the meantime. So I'm going to go ahead and get this back into its brush bar mode. We're going to do this rug and just talk about how easy it is to pull around, weight, stuff like that. See you shortly. And I wanted to mention right quick, there's actually 2 ways of carrying the TriStar. That's the handle right there, as well as that. So also another novel thing about this vacuum that I've never seen in another is the way that their storage of their cord is kept under the machine. So in order to get your cord out, there you go. Now go back to plugging this in and we'll give it a carpet review. The brush roll does have an on and off switch, which is pretty helpful in today's world of mixed floorings. If you don't want to go ahead and swap out for the whole hardwood floor thing, you can just turn off the brush roll and not have to worry about scraping up your wood. So here we go. Ready to test out the hardwood attachment. It does pivot completely under. Which that's pretty impressive. Overall review of the TriStar, I would give it a higher score if it just didn't seem so like cheaply made. I don't know, it just feels like this is cheaper plastic compared to like brands like Kirby and even the Orc that I have. It just seems a little cheap for what the price point is, but it does work very well. And the suction or the air power blowing out of it, which equates to the air suction coming into it, is very strong. I would almost say stronger than the Kirby, but I do not know. I'm not a scientist. I don't even know how to measure that. So, anywho, hope you enjoyed learning a little bit more about the TriStar Mg1. If you inherited one, you're thinking about purchasing a new model, they really haven't changed much. I think the new ones are like black, and they're called like something with a C. But like I said, unless they've improved like the quality of just like this button is completely missing, and that's the one to take this off and on. So thank God it just stays on with tension, or it'd be falling off. Like other than just stuff like that, the vacuum works great. Highly recommended. Hope you enjoyed the video.